I'm Paula Thomson. I'm the head of the Income Generation Project at the Hillcrest AIDS Centre Trust. Basically, it's to try and find an income for women in need, women and men in need. We have 160 registered bead workers on the program. We found that most of our crafters have 7 to 10 dependents, so the reach is quite far, and that those women are the only breadwinners in that household. From, our sort of, when we started, the shop was one plastic bucket to now where it is still a garage. But we sell an incredible amount of beadwork and craft from that garage that goes all around the world. So that is a success in itself. Our turnover was 4,000 Rand, and we've built that up to over 4 million Rand, with about 3.6 of that going back to the crafters in like the golden age of beadwork. And then some of our really big projects that have shifted the woman's consciousness from being a victim to a victor. Like the Dreams for Africa chair, we turned an old broken up chair into what became the most beautiful object in South Africa. And that object then went out and encouraged dreaming on a massive scale across South Africa, not just for women with HIV and AIDS, but for everyone in South Africa really had stopped dreaming. The woman winning that award, the most beautiful object, the woman came to me and said, if the chair is the most beautiful object, we made the chair, we must be the most beautiful woman in South Africa. From that, I really saw a change in that. Before, it was almost an embarrassment to come to the centre, to suddenly being very proud to be part of the Hillcrest AIDS Centre, and almost stigma is really not an entity anymore, because suddenly you've got recognition on a massive scale in the community. You have got something that no one else has. Everyone is important, and I think that's what our message is here at the AIDS Centre, is that there's no one person that is better than anyone else. We're all equal, and if we're all contributing, it doesn't matter if you do a big piece or a small piece, you're just as important, because without your small piece there'll be a hole where your piece is supposed to be. And I think the women feel that they're part of this fabric, and I think that is a very healing tool, if you can say that, and saying, well, how can we share this? It's really about our collective creativity, or our collective capital. And that's what has always separated us from other organizations, is that as a group of women or crafters, we are incredibly powerful, rather than a lot of organizations try to use the power of the individual. And I think we've shown here that actually, if we work together en masse, we can do something really good.